So, I hope you are excited today to have Batman here showing you how to use the cool science tools that you've been given. Let's get started.
We're going to log into Amplify. You'll see the link above in orange. Your username and password are there. So you are going to be clicking that link and typing those in. You want to click on letter A, log in with Amplify, when you log in the very first time and use that username and password. Now you want to save that username and password when it pops up so you always have it. And this should be the screen that you see. Begin to scroll down on this screen. When you get to the Waves, Energy, and Information page, click that, and it will take you to the unit that we are learning on in all of the resources. The resource page should look like this, with in orange, simulations, practice tools in blue, and purple, books.
First, let's take a look at your digital modeling tool. Here is a picture. Now, this is your toolbar. Your toolbar has specific things that it wants you to click and drag into the right spot. You would click things like source and put it in the right spot. Or perhaps click listener and put it in the right spot. Also, the arrow to show the direction that that sound energy is traveling. You will click and move it in the right spot. You will also see an energy transfer icon. Use as many of these as you need to show where the energy is being transferred. Now you are ready. Use that tool. Complete the diagram. Show how energy travels from one source to a listener as a series of particle collisions. I have faith in you. You can do this.